Hi, welcome to another hashtag Thrifty Thursday in collaboration with Sherry. So I've been gone a couple weeks, so I have been very busy with family things. So this is a haul that I did not purchase. This is a haul from the Recycle website. It's a community for people who want to recycle things and trade and barter and that kind of thing. And if you've watched my way previous videos, there are two ladies. Their names were Mary. Hi, Marys, if you're watching. And they purge and get rid of their things, so they know that I do crafting, and so they always give me a phone call and say, hey, I have a bunch of stuff to pick up. So let's get started. I have no idea. This is a giant Christmas bag full of things, and I just kind of grabbed a handful and put on my desk here so you have something to look at. So let's move it off to the side and let's see what we have. So I have some heart tissue paper, and then we've got some Christmas bags. And so let me tell you about gift bags. Gift bags can be made into junk journals because of the thickness of the paper. They can also be, like I could cut out all of these and make tags with them. Lots of different, you can use gift bags for many things. You can, just search on YouTube or Pinterest and you can find lots of uses for these. You can cut them out and put them as a page in your book or glue books or lots of different things. So here we go. So we have some, looks like new, maybe vintage, older, I don't know how old, but some Christmas wrapping paper. And here is a pretty snowman one. So those are nice. Here are some labels. Labels are always fun to use. And then we have a baggie of some vintage, really old vintage. Let's take a look here. Oh, look at that. So there's a congratulations, a little one. So it looks like these were in a scrapbook at one time. Oh, look how beautiful that is to tuck into a journal for your new home with all the best wishes. May your new address spell happiness. Oh, that's really cool. That's probably the card that goes with that one. If you gotta, you gotta. If you gotta have birthdays, you gotta. There's no use to put up a fight, but be thankful the darned things come yearly and not every Saturday night. That is so cute. Your secret pal. Oh, that is neat. Again, most greeting cards don't have dates on them, but a lot of people do, like write the date. Oh, and here's a little 3-year-old's birthday. Oh, and it's got punch outs. It looks like there was something there. Oh, how beautiful. A gift for you is another little small one. Happy birthday, David. Says 30. I don't know if that's 1930 or not. So there's quite a few. Oh, look at these little tiny cards. I just love these little gadgets. Look at that. So there's a bunch of them. Isn't that cute? Isn't that darling? And I'm going to do a vintage greeting card de-stash soon that I'll bundle and for sale, so that's cute. Oh, here's one. Okay, what we got here: authentic genuine leather Indian mock. Oh, you can make your own moccasin. Okay, interesting. We'll see what we can do with that. Oh, here's some vintage paper for sure. Looks like a new sheet. There's some more paper. Here's the old instructions on how to make a bow. Some gift tags. Some more wrapping paper. Oh, I love holly and berries. Love that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that darling? I just love vintage wrapping paper. Oh, look at that one. That is so cute. Oh, and it's got different paper in the bundle. Oh, I didn't even see that. That is neat. There's another one. And here's some brand new packages of luster foil. Look at that. There's a whole bunch there. Oh goodness, look at this. This is beautiful. Danish gift wrapping paper. 35 cents. It's really thick. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, what we got here? Legend of the Dreamcatcher. Merry Christmas. Oh, neat. That is neat. Okay, what we got here? Looks like a wine bag. Look how long that is. Boy, you could fold that and put it in a journal and you'd have a deep pocket here, and then cut that and you'd have a deep pocket here. That is really neat. Here's some cross grain ribbon. I got a whole bag here, so let's go through it. There's some pieces of doily. Well, I'm sure this is not Copenhagen. This is 1992. Let's see what's in it. Oh, it's full of buttons. Look at that. So it looks like we have a whole assortment of ribbons. Look at that. With flowers on it. Let me zoom down just a tad so you can see a little bit better. There's a purple bow. There's some shimmery ones. Oh, here's a button on the loose here. Stick that in there. Oh, here's a couple more buttons. Stick those in there. Oh, that's really neat. It's kind of like organza, just a strip of it. Looks like some paper flowers. Let's see what these are. Oh, those are cute. Paper flowers that somebody made. How cute. Here's some really fine string. Here's some green cross grain. Here's some pink ribbon, or like a lace, more or less like a lace. That's really pretty color. Here's some more of that embroidered ribbon. Got a bunch of oh, here's one of those, like a, I don't know what you call those, not needle point, but looks like they tried making an ornament of some sort. That's cute. Oh, oh, look at this. I love this. It's like chipboard. This old ornament. That's beautiful. I'm going to put that in my journal. Oh, and here's a whole bunch of gift tags here. It's got a flocking on it. Oh, there's some more. There's another gift tag. And these are silver and gold gift tags. Here is some really tiny ribbon, double face satin ribbon. Really pretty. There's a little dragonfly thing there. And I got a bunch more buttons here that are just came out of the bag. So let's see. And then, oh look, here's some crafting felt, little felt adornments. That's cute. And then here's some hem facing. That is cute. And then she's got some really shiny like thread on a little spool here. That is cute. And then we've got this box. Let's see, what's this? Avon Patchwork. Oh, okay, so she's just reusing the box with all these little bits of trims, and oh, here's some sequin one below. Look at that, silver. I love little pieces like this to put in my glue book and my holiday glue book and stuff. So that is really cute. Love that. Get it all back in there. That is cute. So then I have a whole bunch of buttons that this would be cute right here. This red one in the Christmas journal. So got that. All right, let me put some of this small stuff back in the bag here. And we'll continue on and see what else we have. All this small stuff. I love all this little vintage pieces. Okay, put that off to the side. So let's see, now I've got this huge bag next to me here. So we'll just see what else we have. So here's another gift bag. Here's some bright, beautiful pink wrapping paper. Here's some more wrapping paper. I love that. I love putting them in my journals. They're so much fun. Here is a wire gift bag, and I think I stuck this in there from, I just stuck this in when I was cleaning my craft room, and so I had picked this up on a haul. So this is not part of the free, but I just tucked it in here. I forgot it was in here. Okay, so now we'll get back to hers. So here is a penguin gift bag. It's pretty big, so sorry, let me zoom back out here a little bit. So there's a penguin gift bag, Angry Birds gift bag. Here is a baby. No, look at that. Won't this be so cute as a front of a baby journal or in the page of a baby, you know, look at that. These are like felt. Isn't that cool? I just love these. Here is a little piece of shimmery Christmas ribbon that came falling out. Let's see what else we got. So here is a Christmas paper sack. This would be great in a journal. Here is another giant bag. Love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. So here's some gift boxes. I have shown where I made a journal in my previous videos on how to make greeting cards and little journals out of gift boxes. Oh, my fave. Look at that. These are placemats, and these are actually embossed. I don't know if you can see it or not. Beautiful. Grease-proof doilies. 1997. So these have a little bit of age to them. Beautiful. Those are absolutely usable. Look at this paper sack with this Santa on it. Oh my gosh. This will be beautiful in a journal. And then, let's see. And then I just have some brown paper sacks, you know, just for recycling. And then the giant Christmas bag that this was in. so which will get recycled. All right, so that is my haul for this week. I didn't do any shopping, like I said. I was busy with family, and this was from my free site. So so you can just go on to, I think it's freecycle.org, and you can put in your location where you're at and put a post on there saying, I do crafting, I'll take your greeting cards, leftover papers, assortments, whatever you're looking for. And you can pick up stuff for free. It's just an awesome way to recycle and keep it from going to the landfill, and you're using it to make something really beautiful with. So that wraps it up, and I hope everyone is well, and happy crafting. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye.